So what do you guys usually use for your eczema? We were using Aquaphor. Check this out. So with that piece of evidence, I'm not interested in using Aquaphor or really anything I find over the counter. So I set out on a mission and I discovered something that works. And it's all natural. I use shea butter. This is the consistency of it. This is the consistency of that. And I also use for his eczema Plant Therapies Skin Soother Oil. Put about 5 drops in. Smash it up in a bowl. This is what it looks like. There's a little bit of grittiness to it when you put it on. It liquefies as you rub it in, and that is how I make my eczema cream for my son. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. Thanks.